guys, and welcome back to another episode with the Shed King. We're out here today with Bo and his Supercharged 3RZ. We're just going to go for a little cruise and have a chat. How long have you had this thing now?
It's been a while.
What? Last time I seen him was about 2 years ago. So, what's it been?
You've
had this four and a bit years. And you had this, originally it was stock, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stock running gear, just shortied and shaved and...
Yep. Mini truck life.
Mini truck, static life.
Yeah. What ECU are you running?
Haltex 3500.
Yeah.
Just basic.
And Matty Spryer it's tuned that, didn't he?
Yep.
Yeah. And for everyone that wants to know, it's an M62 supercharger kit from LCE Engineering.
Yeah. Alpine.
Alpine.
So
Yeah, Alpine LC.
I'd assume they're not in business anymore.
Yeah.
It took me 6 months to get it over here.
Yeah, that's no big surprise. Especially at the moment with this Corona thing going on, it's pretty hard to get anything from anywhere. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go on a bit of a spirited drive through the hills here and get some supercharged wine action. Let's do it. Man, I love this road.
It's waiting for me.
Hey guys, this is it. This is inside the engine bay here. It's a very easy and kit to install. Factory TRD kit by Alpine with a custom intake he done himself. It's pretty cool. Alloy radiator, aftermarket ECU, the M62 charger, which is basically all just bolt on, so it's very easy stuff. And as you would have heard, guys, it sounds amazing. This setup made 200 horsepower on 9 psi. Very impressive for such a small little charger. Overall, I think it's an amazing little package, and it's so much fun to drive. A few of you guys have probably never seen this before either. So this is a single cab with a space cab tray on it. We call them shorties. It's a little mini trucker thing. You basically cut the chassis down and a couple of 100 mil and rejoin it back together. It's a really cool little concept. I'm actually wanting to do exactly the same sort of thing. But anyway, let's gap it. that's it, guys. Big thanks to Bo for letting us hang out and do another video on this thing. It's gorgeous, man. Really appreciate it. And we're probably gonna catch up in the near future again. And will you coming to
a bit sooner this time?
A bit sooner, yeah. It's been a few years. It's freaking ridiculous. Bo's probably gonna make it to the 3OZ challenge, so hopefully you'll get to come and check this thing out in person. Anyway, guys, take care, and I'll catch up with you all real soon.